Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Braille Scanner Pro. So if you don't know what this app does, it is basically an app that will scan barcodes. And as you can see right here, Braille Scanner Pro is an easy to use QR code scanner and reader that offers a simple and efficient way to scan and read all types of QR codes and barcodes. With this built-in quick scanning feature, which is very non-existent, you can simply point free QR codes to the scanner app and the code you want to scan, and the scanner will automatically start scanning. That's a lot of scan words. There's no need to press any buttons, take a picture, or adjust any zoom settings, as the barcode reader will automatically work. So as you can see right here, they don't say it out loud. However, they do offer money by scanning a lot of items. As you can see right here, looks like this just by scanning. So I'm just gonna say that this app is a scam in itself, since you won't receive any money by scanning QR codes. So basically, they're saying that if you reach a certain amount of QR codes, you can actually receive money or rewards. However, it's not really true. So please avoid apps like this, since they can put malware on your phone or even steal your information. So if you want to download this app in the hopes of making money, please do not. Okay, and yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.